Yeah, another one. Man, today should be a special day. It should be, because where I'm taking you guys, I've never been before. I've been trying to make it here, literally, for years. For years. Literally. For years on end. So, this place we're going is coming up in another block, so I'm going to get right into it. It's a free car show that, hold on. Okay, it's a free car show open to the public. It starts at 7 and it's almost 10. Yeah, man, that's just how I get down. I was tired, man. I had to sleep in today. But anyway, we're here. I would like to give you a little bit more information about it, but I'm about to show you. Let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. That's what happens when you sleep in. A lot of these people done left already. They're all pulling out. It's over at 11, and it's only like 9:30. And looking at this Countach, I can tell you already this is not real. But it's a nice kit car. Nice kit car. Hit me down in the comments. Tell me what you guys think of it. Something more up my alley. Ferrari F8 Spider. Look at that thing, boy. That's poetry in motion. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh wee. And then we come up on the Ferrari 458 Spider. This is something that I've always wanted. And if you guys help me, if you subscribe and watch the videos, goodness gracious, y'all be acting funny. If y'all help me, man, I'll get one of these one day. This is the last naturally aspirated Ferrari before that F8 that we just saw. That's the successor to the 458. Goodness gracious, this thing is beautiful. We got the Viper here for all you Dodge fans and all you Ford fans. Ooh. I'm telling you, I wish I was out here earlier. I'm getting up early next week, y'all. I'm getting up early. I'm not gonna do this to y'all again. Look at this, man. Looks like the Prowler. What is this? Looks like a Plymouth Prowler. Is he gonna start that? Look at that. So many goodies around here. It's got the Cobra insignia in the wheels. Yeah, that looks just like a Prowler. That's nice right there, y'all. That's really nice. Yeah, people got things to do. I guess they here at 7 and they out by 9:30. Look at this stuff, man. Ooh, you got your Cobra here. GT350. For you Mustang gang. I ain't seen a bra on a car in ages. for all you Mustang lovers. Yeah, this is gonna be a short one. These dudes is pulling out like a dude who don't want to be a dad. Yeah, they do this every week, man, so I ain't gonna sweat it. They do this every week. I'll get back out here next week and we'll continue this one. Don't worry about it. All right, guys, as promised, this is the next weekend and we are back. We're still late. We're definitely still late, but we're not as late as we were last week. This week we are, what time is it? It's like 10 o'clock. No, it's 9 o'clock. So we have an hour to go. So let's do this really, really quickly because people are already starting to pull out. But there's a lot more people here than last week. This week we're gonna start with the C10. We're gonna run through the replica Shelby, 458 Spider, once again. And damn, this Chevy is crazy. This is bananas. It's too nice to come to my shop, I tell you that. Have an Aventador. This is between the 2012 to 2014, 2010 to 2014. Aventador, Expo, like a 69 Camaro, 300C. I hate these, so we won't waste no time on those. Little Scion with the fire starter exhaust. Got the Hellcat. You hit me down in the comments. Let me know what this Chevy is. What is this? A Duster? A Dodge Duster? This is, I think, a Chevy. No, it's a Chrysler. What is this? Never seen one of those before. Firebird 650 convertible 430. 430. Ferrari F430. 430, y'all. Ferrari F430. SL500. Old school Stang. And old school Chevy. This is very different. Again, this should never come to my shop. And this is the real Stang gang right here, boy. Man. Let's see if we can find a dark horse out here. Haven't seen one of them in person yet. Good grief, look at this joint. Is that the GT500? Good grief. Carbon fiber hood. Look at this thing, man. Yeah, it's a GT500. Carbon fiber hood. It looks like the fenders are carbon fiber as well. Looks like everything is. Looks like the doors, the mirrors. Wow, this is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. The tail. This one is special, y'all. Look at those wheels. Good grief. Yeah, this is a special one. This is probably the most special one out here, in my opinion. GT350. GT350. All right, we get into the regular stuff. Old school Shelby. Another GT500. Yeah, these are some bad boys right here. Some bad boys. And this is probably what, like a 76 Firebird? 70, 75, 76, something like that. I like these. My years are 78 though. 77, 78, Smokey and the Bandit. It's not a lot down here. It's the overflow. I don't see anything over here that you guys would really be interested in. He's just a regular schmegular dudes. Except for the Supra. This is interesting. It's clean. That's nice. And here, a rusted out rat rod, it seems. Correct me in the comments, Jeeves. Is this a rat rod? Ah. And if you are a vet lover, the Z06 is always a stunner. Now look at that. I like the way that hood comes up. These guys are inventive, I tell you. There's a big Mustang fan base out here, man. Huge.
That's what she said.
More Stangs than anything else over here. Ferrari, California. What is that? 718 Cayman, Porsche. And here goes the Corvettes. They pulling out, see? They pulling out. So we're gonna keep it moving. More vets. There's that C8 I was telling y'all about. And here goes the other one. Yeah. And this is the Z06. Oh, shoot. Hot dog. All right. My man in flex mode. And we have a Monte Carlo. You guys are very familiar with the Monte Carlo SS's. We got 100 of these at the shop. And this one is all stock, believe it or not. It's a very clean example. Got a Gremlin. Man, I haven't seen one of these in years. Jeeves, I know you like this. Old school Challenger. Jeeves, again, I know you like this. Man, a lot of goodies in here. And for any of you guys who got deep pockets, this one is for sale. Oh, and here we go again. The 430, ladies and gentlemen. The F430. Now back to live action. Alright guys, and that's it for us too. And we're done here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do your boy a favor, man. You can let me know by simply liking the video. Hit that like button, man. You know, hit that like button. Tell me about it in the comments if you liked it or if you loved it. Even if you hated it. Let me know down in the comment section, man. I do this for y'all. You know what I mean? Because I don't get paid for this. Just to make that clear, but I do it for the love of this community, of this car community that we all know and love. But on that note, man, I'll see y'all on the next one. Who loves you, baby?